Looking great on camera isn't just for actors and glamorous TV presenters. You can look and sound like a pro in your organisation's videos too. I'm Perry J. O'Halloran, director of True Lies B2B Film Productions here in the UK, and I've spent nearly 2 decades helping business professionals master the art of cool, calm and collected on-camera presence. In the last video, we looked at how to quash nerves and anxiety if you've been asked to appear in front of the camera for your business or organisation. Give that very helpful video a watch if it sounds useful to you. In this video, I'm going to share some simple but powerful tips that will help you to look and sound your absolute best when the cameras start rolling, even if you're brand new to all of this. So, are you ready to dominate your next on-camera appearance? Hopefully, definitely. Here's how we're going to do it. Number 1, your posture sets the tone. First things first, let's look at body language. The way we sit or stand on camera communicates much more than we think. Good posture makes you look confident and engaged, which helps to build trust with your audience. Think about when you have a conversation with someone face to face. You sit up straight, shoulders back, and you stay open and attentive. Well, it's exactly the same on camera. The viewer is still reading your body language. So remember to avoid slouching, crossing your arms. They can make you look closed off. See if you can keep your hands in one place too. You've probably noticed that that's my worst habit. Just try planting your feet firmly. That's your space, so you're gonna own it. Lean ever so slightly forward and keep your hands relaxed in your lap if you're sitting, or by your side if you're standing, or emoting with your hands if you're me. Whether all of this feels normal or not, it will convey that you're engaged, you're approachable, and you do have the authority to say what you're here to say. Number 2, dress the part, but keep it simple. Now we're going to look at clothing. Your on-camera outfit plays a big role in how professional you appear. That's a given. But the key is to dress appropriately for your industry. Just don't overthink it. A simple, well-fitted outfit in solid, neutral colours usually works best. Stay away from busy patterns or overly bright colours. They can be very distracting on camera and can even make life harder for the film crew, but more details on that a bit later. Good examples might be a navy blue or charcoal suit with a light shirt, that works great, or a smart casual look that still feels professional, like a button-up shirt and a blazer. But again, it should feel appropriate to your industry. Be mindful to avoid large reflective jewelry or anything that might make some noise. I've seen so many people arrive dressed up, ready for their big moment on camera, hair done, beautifully dressed, and wearing their loveliest earrings, chains, or necklaces, and it's always so sad to ask them to take them off so that we can hear them, not the jewelry. You can say that you won't move around a lot, no one will hear it, or surely it's not that noisy, but make life easy for yourself and your crew. The microphones hear everything. We want the cameras, the lights, and your outfit to complement your message, not compete with it. Number 3, keep your eyes on the lens. One of the quickest ways to look confident on camera is eye contact, or in this case, lens contact. Now, trust me, I get it. It feels a bit weird staring into a big reflective eye to deliver something so important. But remember, the lens is your audience. When you speak directly into the camera, you create a connection with the human being who's watching. As far as they're concerned, you're speaking directly to them. Now, if you're actually reading from a teleprompter or you have a few bullet points off screen, practice a bit beforehand to ensure that your gaze remains natural and non-robotic. And if you're in an interview type setup, just focus on the person asking you questions, not the camera. Ignore the camera. The crew, the camera, everything you can just put to the back of your mind for now. Just focus on the other person. This will allow you to appear much more natural. Number 4, smile with purpose. Here's something that makes a huge difference. Your smile. A genuine smile on camera instantly makes you more likable, calm, professional, and approachable. It's one of the easiest ways to connect with your audience and keep them engaged. But here's the trick. Smile with purpose. You don't need to force a grin the whole time. You don't need to whip out that one pose that you've mastered for all of your selfies. The truth is, those smiles can look posed and unnatural. Just smile when it's appropriate and smile when you feel like smiling. But smile. Like when you introduce yourself, when you get to your closing point, or when you're talking about something positive that genuinely excites you. And I understand maybe smiling isn't appropriate to what you'll be doing on camera, but if you're covering a more serious topic, Focus instead on keeping your expression friendly and open rather than flat or stern. It does take focus, but friendly will engage most people. Flat will engage no people. Number 5, control your voice. It is your most powerful tool. Your voice is one of the most powerful tools you can have to assist you on camera. A confident voice makes you sound authoritative and engaging, but here's a pro tip. Don't just talk loudly to sound confident. Vary your tone and your pace to keep your audience engaged. No one wants to listen to a monotone speaker. Pause after important points. Emphasize key words and adjust your volume as necessary for different parts of your message, obviously. If you're delivering good news, your voice can be a bit more upbeat. For serious information, lower the tone slightly. Variety keeps the audience interested and makes your delivery much more impactful. Number 6, practice, practice, and practice again. No one is born a natural on-camera speaker. It all comes down to practice. One of the best ways to improve your on-camera presence is to rehearse your delivery. Before a shoot, practice in front of a mirror, it does work, or record yourself on your phone, or have somebody else record you. Watch it back, note how you come across, and adjust wherever you feel the need to adjust. Pay attention to your body language, your voice, and whether you're connecting with the camera. Also, try practicing with your script so that your delivery feels smooth but not too rehearsed. The goal here is to sound natural, like you're having a conversation, not reading it word for word. Okay, I've got a bonus tip for you. Here's how you can impress the crew. We briefly talked about dressing appropriately for your big moment on camera, but I've got a great bonus tip if you want to instantly make best friends with the crew on your arrival. It doesn't even involve cookies or donuts. Avoid wearing fine stripes, logos, or long dresses. Why? Well, HD cameras and Ultra HD screens have done a beautiful job of improving the things that we watch, but fine stripes will almost always be a headache, producing that weird strobing effect that you've probably seen. It's on the news quite a lot. It's usually in things where somebody is unexpectedly spoken to on camera, or they're not camera ready. They may be wearing something with a lot of stripes and fine lines. You won't have seen it often, and that's because it's avoided. Unless it's your company logo, avoid wearing graphics. It's obviously not a great look to be talking about your organization while the audience is distracted by the one on your shirt. Whether that's a brand or a logo or a quote, just avoid it. It's best avoided. So when in doubt, keep it simple, keep it solid. And finally, a long dress, a maxi dress, or a jumpsuit only ever looks amazing. But when your microphone cable is probably going to be run up the inside of your clothes, you can see why the sound crew might have a challenging time doing what they need to do. The same goes for anything that's too thin or flimsy. That's just going to pull on you if a mic is attached. Anyway, you get it. It's just food for thought, and the crew will love you if you do think ahead. So there you have it, 6 top tips and a bonus tip to help you look and sound like a pro for your organization's films. Whether you're shooting a corporate presentation, a training video, or you're just hopping on camera for an internal update, this advice should help you to stand out and deliver your message with confidence. If you found this video useful and you want more tips on making you and your organization look outstanding on screen, bosh the like button, then really quickly whack the subscribe button, and I promise you'll get new advice as soon as I make it. But don't forget to share your advice too. Leave a comment and tell us something that you wish that you'd known before something that you had to film, or maybe just some observations that you've had from watching other people's experiences. Anyway, that's all from me for today. Once again, you've done an amazing job. Go and make yourself a cup of tea. Get in touch with us over at truelieslimited.com, and I'll see you back here soon.